All right, now here's an easy one for you. This is a question we get a lot. It's about Z-Wave. What is it and how it works? Well, every home security system out there, and a lot of these that we've reviewed, they tout their home automation capabilities, not just their security. And almost every time what they're talking about is their Z-Wave compatibility. You can think of it a bit like Bluetooth. Both of these, they use specific radio waves to connect devices, but the difference here is that Z-Wave connects devices to a hub rather than connecting the devices to each other. And once they're hooked up to that hub, you can control the devices through that hub, or oftentimes through a smartphone app or an app on your tablet or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, it uses that hub. All these things come into, oftentimes it'll be like a security control panel like this one over here. I mean, a lot of these devices I have behind me, like this smart thermostat, you'll see it on the box. It says Z-Wave compatible, something like that. All that means is that you can use all these devices like lights, thermostats, garage door controllers, Alexa uses Z-Wave, fan controllers and window blinds and all sorts of stuff. You can hook these into a hub and use that to control them from one central location, all these devices throughout your house. So this is what these security companies mean when they're talking about making your home a smart home. Anyway, so hopefully that answers the basic questions. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty technical stuff, but if you have any questions, go down to the comments below and let me know. We'll do our best to answer those. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.